Okay, I understand that you are struggling with expressing your ideas. Be confident. We all are here to help you, okay? See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. My friend here is brimming with ideas, but she's not able to put into words. Like her, do you feel the butterflies in your stomach? Does native language influence in your English bother you? Have you dreamt about speaking like your favorite Hollywood actor? Do you find it difficult to give your best in interviews? We have come up with a solution to all your queries. We present to you Eduzin, an exciting edutainment series to help reinvent your selfhood.
Eduzin.
I'm a desperate learner, a passionate trainer, and a happy member of Inzpira family. And you can call me Suju. Stay tuned for our new videos every Friday at 8 p.m. only on YouTube. Subscribe now to stay updated. See you next week.
Inspira.